On this video I'm going to show you how to use the new tool called IDE Insight. This tool is a new tool introduced on Rad Studio 2010, and the next release of Delphi for PHP also features this new tool. You can access this tool using the search menu because it's basically a search tool. Here it is. You can also press Control dot, you see, and finally you can also access it using F6, which is my favorite choice. This window you can resize it to any size you want, and allows you to access a lot of commands very easily because all those commands are grouped in categories. For example, these are all the actions you have available on the IDE. These are the desktop speed settings, the same you can find here on the drop down. This is the items you can find on the repository to create new ones. This is a list of open files. At this moment there is only one module open on the IDE. This category lists all the options and all the controls you can find on the options dialog on every category. This is a list of the recent files you have open with the IDE, and this is a list of recent projects. The nice thing is that you can search on this list. At the same time you type, the list is filtered by the string you type, and the one is highlighted, you just press enter, and then, for example, in this case, goes to the options dialog, the color for the code editor. So this is a nice way to find many options on the IDE. Also, on this dialog you can select which categories you want to search and to show, but usually you just keep all of them visible, so there is no need to use this feature. For example, now we are going to create, for example, a new unit. And here now we have the unit we have just opened. If we double click, we go to it or to the welcome page. Usually the thing is to press the F6 key and type what you want to do and the item you want to search, and you're done. So this tool, and it's updated depending on the leaf information you have on the IDE. Now we are going to create a new VCL for PHP application, and also because when you are on the designer, if you show the IDE Insight, you have two new categories. One is called component palette and the other is components. The first one lists all the components you have installed on the tool palette, you see, and if you used one of these options, for example the button, if you press enter, the component is created. So it's a very nice way to create components because it's very handy. Press F6 and you are done. Also, if you have a component selected and that component is able to hold another components inside, just when you insert a component, this component is inserted inside the selected one. So as you can see, it's very nice to use. And also the other category shows all the components you can find on the active form. In this case, these are the components, and the goal is that you can select any of them very easily just by typing the name. This is very handy when you have a lot of controls in a form. Press F6 and then type the name of the component or even the form, so you have it selected. Well, as you can see, this is a very nice utility, and it's very handy, and I hope you like it. Bye.